The age of artificial intelligence is here. But the question every company and every individual who is in the position of decision making is asking is how they can apply machine learning and artificial intelligence into their organization. As I have mentioned in few of my previous videos, which you can find on my channel, is that artificial intelligence is a discipline, whereas machine learning is a real application. So when we say that we are going to implement artificial intelligence in our organization, what we are saying is that we are going to implement machine learning in our organization. Now, when we say that we are implementing machine learning, the thing is that most of the organizations will not be writing their own models. They won't be training their own models from the foundation and from the base. What they will be doing is they will be utilizing existing models, and then they will train then those models or fine tune those models as per their use case on their own proprietary training data set. Now, in order to do that, they would need to come up with a strategy to select the proper model which will align with their business use case. Now in this video I'm going to give few tips as how to select a model for a machine learning model, of course, for your company. In the previous video, which I will put the link again, I discussed how you can or what you need to do to get ready for implementing machine learning in your organization by following a machine learning life cycle. Now, after you have done it, now it is the time to select your model because you have done the previous steps. So now you have a clean data set which you can feed into that model. So now the data is ready to be fed into the machine learning model. Choosing a suitable training model is a very critical step, and it depends on all the previous steps which I mentioned in that video. And I'm sorry I'm mentioning that video again and again because that is a foundation. So I would highly suggest you watch that video. Anyway, now it is important to have a good understanding of the business problem and its constraints, the evaluation matrix, and a good understanding of your data. So briefly, the things which you need to consider when you are torn for the choice for selecting a model include explainability, in-memory versus out-memory training, a number of features and samples which align with your business requirement, categorical versus numerical features, training time, prediction time, and normality of the data. And I would again say that the most important feature is which you need to take care of is the normality of the data. The more the model aligns with your business use case and your field, the better it would be. And the better a model understands your training data set, the better it will be. So, and you might have to do a lot of iterations. You might have to give a few of the models a try before you settle on your definite model. And nothing is certain. You can change your model anytime. And I will put the link to that previous video with the life cycle in the video's description. I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback, please put it into the comment section. Thanks for listening.